Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. December 19th, 2025. Today's important news includes 1. 24 firms join U.S. Genesis mission. 2. Meta developing Mango and Avocado models. 3. OpenAI launches GPT 5.2 Codex coding model. 4. How AI changes higher education. 5. Data centers plug into power plants. Now, let's start the main text. 1. 24 leading tech companies, including Microsoft and Google, have joined the U.S. Department of Energy's Genesis mission to accelerate scientific discovery and national security research using AI. This project, likened to the Manhattan Project, aims to build an integrated AI science platform by merging private sector models with federal supercomputing resources. The government has allocated an initial $320 million to establish this infrastructure while ensuring the tools remain architecture agnostic to support diverse hardware environments. 2. Meta is internally developing a new image and video generation model codenamed Mango, alongside its next-generation text model, Avocado. Scheduled for release in early 2026, Mango aims to close the gap with competitors like OpenAI Sora, while Avocado focuses on enhancing coding and reasoning capabilities. These models represent a shift toward a closed-source flagship strategy intended to power Meta's social platforms and AI assistants. 3. Netflix has acquired the gaming avatar platform Ready Player Me to strengthen its social gaming strategy and establish a unified identity system across its ecosystem. The acquisition involves integrating the startup's 3D avatar technology into Netflix's growing library of TV-based party and narrative games. As part of the deal, Ready Player Me will discontinue its public third-party services by early 2026 to focus exclusively on internal Netflix projects. 4. A new comprehensive guide explains how to train, optimize, and deploy large language models locally on iOS and Android devices using the Unsloth and Executorch frameworks. By utilizing quantization-aware training, developers can achieve high inference speeds of up to 40 tokens per second on modern mobile hardware. This workflow enables a privacy-first AI experience that functions entirely offline, reducing latency and server costs. 5. OpenAI has introduced GPT 5.2 Codex, a specialized agentic model designed for high-level software engineering and defensive cybersecurity tasks. The model outperforms previous versions on benchmarks like SWE Bench Pro and features enhanced long-range reasoning for complex codebase refactoring. While primarily accessible through the Codex ecosystem for professional developers, it includes strict safety guardrails to manage its advanced cyber capabilities. 6. Dell Technologies has acquired the Israeli AI startup Dataloop for $120 million to enhance its data management and annotation capabilities for enterprise-level AI. Dataloop's platform specializes in handling unstructured data, providing a critical link in Dell's AI factory strategy for building end-to-end infrastructure. This move targets the growing demand for on-premise and hybrid cloud AI deployments where data sovereignty and local governance are essential. 7. Researchers from the University of Pennsylvania and the University of Michigan have developed the world's smallest programmable robots, measuring smaller than a grain of salt. These microscopic machines are powered by light through integrated solar cells and utilize ultra-low power processors to execute autonomous behaviors. The team envisions these robots being used for cellular-level medical monitoring, micromanufacturing, and sensing in confined environments. 8. Palona AI has pivoted its strategy to focus on the restaurant and hospitality sectors by launching Vision and Workflow, two AI-driven management tools. The system utilizes existing security cameras to monitor operations like table turnover and food quality, automating routine management tasks through a multimodal world model. To ensure reliability in high-stakes environments, the company developed custom memory architectures and the Grace Safety Framework to prevent AI hallucinations. 9. Higher education is undergoing a systemic transformation as universities integrate generative AI into everything from core infrastructure to classroom assessment methods. Institutions are collaborating with tech giants to build high-performance computing platforms that support both research and AI literacy training for students. The focus is shifting toward redesigned evaluation systems, such as oral exams and project-based learning, that prioritize human judgment over automated outputs. 10. Content creators are increasingly turning to generative AI to manage the overwhelming production demands of the holiday season and prevent professional burnout. By delegating repetitive tasks like drafting headlines and repurposing content across channels to AI, teams can maintain quality while reducing cognitive load. However, experts emphasize that human oversight remains essential to ensure brand authenticity and cultural sensitivity during emotionally charged festive periods. 11. The Federal Energy Regulatory Commission has issued a landmark ruling allowing data centers to connect directly to power plants to meet the soaring energy demands of AI. This policy aims to bypass traditional grid congestion but has sparked debate over potential electricity price hikes for residential consumers. While tech giants view this as a path to stable energy, critics warn of risks to social equity and grid reliability as the AI industry consumes a larger share of the nation's power. That's all for today's news summary. For the full news story and original webpage link, please see the video description. Thank you for listening. See you next time.